Thank you for watching another one of my vlogs. If you haven't yet, go subscribe to this channel, go like this video, and comment on the comment section if you have traveled to Cabo before. Without anything else to say, I'm so excited for today's video because I'm talking about my hometown, Cabo. And if you guys are thinking, well, what should I do next time I go visit, or what activities should I look into? This video is for you. So you can trust me with this one. I was born and raised here and I know exactly where you guys should be going to. Let's start by talking about Medano Beach. It is the center of the tourist activity in Cabo San Lucas. It is the best place to find water-based activities rentals and to grab lunch. I mean, just look at this breakfast, my coffee, and the view. What more can you ask for, right? You can also find different restaurants, bars, and beach clubs in the area, which are so much fun. I personally believe that boat tours to the arch are a must for Cabo. They're so much fun, they're not expensive at all, and you guys are gonna enjoy it so much. Okay, we're giving some cookies to the fish, and you guys are gonna see how many fish are coming over here to get some food. Lovers Beach. Don't know if you can see it, guys, but this is the Baja rock. It's upside down and it looks just like the Baja. So this little one is called the window and you can see through it. With most of these boat tours, you're able to go for a quick swim, but you can also ask them if they're able to drop you off at the beach and pick you up in an hour or so. Cabo has a wide variety of water activities that you can choose from. I do have to say that these activities may change depending on the time of the year that you're visiting us on, but you can go whale watching, you can go stand-up paddling all the way over to the arch and back. You can go snorkeling, you can go fishing. There's so many things that you can do. Hey guys, so I'm at the Marina right now. And as you can see, we've got lots of people down there because we had the BSB tournament and there's lots of fishermen over here. But we're gonna just walk around and see what they got over there. So the Marina is a great place because it has lots of really cool restaurants, and you guys can see all the marina. And just a fun fact, those flags over there mean that they got something. So as I said, it's the BSBs this week, and it's really interesting because there's around $9 million on game. So whoever gets the biggest fish, they get the money. So as you guys can see, there's so many things over here. As I said earlier, there's so many different restaurants here at the marina. It's such a pretty place and a cool place for some date nights. So it's really funny because those seals, we call them panchos, all of them, but they will jump on your boat to get whatever fish you caught on your fishing trip, so it's really funny. So Luxury Avenue, guys, is so cool also. This is a great place for shopping. There are shops like this that are just amazing, that have handmade Mexican stuff. Just so beautiful. I love this. It's just gorgeous. Last but not least from this Cabo edition vlog, I'm gonna say that Cabo has amazing hotels. I do believe that it is Mexico's hidden gem. I highly suggest that you guys do a little research before you come visit us and just make reservations for all the restaurants, bars, and things that you want to do beforehand. Once again, guys, don't forget to go like and subscribe to this channel, and go leave in the comment section if you guys want to keep watching more content about Cabo in my channel. I'd be more than happy to do so. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and TikTok, and just if you guys have any questions about Cabo, send me a DM. Mwah!